तो अभी जा रहे हैं हम अपने इवेंट में। बुला लिया गया, मैसेज करके कि जल्दी जल्दी आ जाओ, तो चलते हैं। दे दो। तो आ चुके हैं तैयार होके। IHM गुरदासपुर को रिप्रेजेंट करने जा रहे हैं। आशीर्वाद दीजिए। की हंसते हुए देखो, हंस क्यों रहा है भाई? नहीं, बेइज्जती नहीं होने देंगे।
सभी लोग यहाँ पे कुर्ता पजामा डाला हुआ ना,
मुझे ऐसे थोड़ी खड़ी कर रखी है उन्हें। एक तो बंदा साथ में और के बंदे ने बोलना चाहिए सही होगा। ये उल्टा डीमोटिवेट कर रहा है हम क्या बन गए। ये बात तो लग तो मुझे भी ऐसा रहा है, बट ऐसी कोई बात नहीं। ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस पहन के कभी भी घबराना नहीं है। हाँ नहीं, यहाँ तो देखेंगे, इन्होंने देखा ही नहीं कभी। इनको पता चला ये पंजाबी पुत कैसे होते हैं, ठीक नहीं। सो आगे देखिए, अभी आ चुके हैं वेन्यू पे, यहाँ पे ही है। तो मिलते हैं आपको अंदर जाके। ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस सबके।
तुझे पता है ना साड़ी के बारे में, तो इसका एक शॉर्ट्स आई वाज नॉट अलाउड टू।
सो देखिए, सब जा रहे हैं, पूरा इंडिया एक ही प्लेस पे। और ये गोवा वाले साहब एकदम मस्त, सबसे स्मार्ट ये लग रहे हैं यहाँ पे। देखिए आउटफिट।
अगर पहनना पड़ा।
Okay, dear students, this is our fruit wine incubation center, right? So what we are doing, with the fruits, local fruits, we are making wines. Generally, wines are made through by grapes only, right?
Yes.
But we are not using because here grapes doesn't grow in this region, in entire northeast, right? So fruits are there. Near about 125 fruits are there in all over the northeast. 30 in Meghalaya. So we are making fruits, right? And this particular project we have taken to help the farmers, right? And what we are doing the SWOT analysis of the farmers, the village or the house, that what they can do it, right? So fruits, they will be making, taking fruits from their field and making wine there. And after that, we are teaching them how to pair it with the food, local food. So we are creating a boutique in their own place only. Wine boutiques. Wine boutiques. Okay. So there we have 5 tanks, near about 200 each capacity. Right, 1,000 liter we can make wine at a time. Right, and wine times depend on the fruits, right? Some take 15 days, some take 30 days, some take 25 days, like that. Okay, so please come. Come inside.
This is the winery of IHM Shillong.
Get inside. Now you can see this crusher.
Pulp
Fruit crusher. the juice comes from that side, pulp they come from that side, and if there are seed is there, seeds come from this side, right? And after that we put in this for fermentation, right? And depend, as I told you, depend on the fruits, how much time it takes in that, right? After that, after maturation, fermentation, it goes through the filter. You can come this side, you can see the filter, right? From filter it comes to the tank. From there, if you want, you can store it, put it back again for storing. If you want to bottle it, you can bottle it also directly, half bottle and full bottle. Then sealing is there, then labeling is there. Very simple.
Sir, how do you determine which fruit wine will be matured for how long or brewed for how long?
That depend on their
Sugar content.
sugar content and the acid and all. So recently we have made this
Ginger ale.
ginger ale. Right now slowly we are promoting this. At present, one training program is going on, 3 months training program, in which we are teaching them wine making as well as bakery, cooking and all. So as we told you that boutique, we want to teach them the boutique, how to open a boutique.
So the government is supporting you in that.
This one,
financially?
the Farmer Commission is supporting us. Farmer Commission of Meghalaya is supporting us.
So, and what about the financing of the project?
Financial, these have been given by the Farmers Commission only.
That's good. That's very good. Very developed and outright.
And they will be, now they have given IHM as a certifying agency also. When the farmers will make wine, before go to market, it will come to us. We'll show you lab is in the main campus. Then we will be certifying that. After that, they can give it to the market.
Excellent, excellent. Very nice.
And if students have any question, they can ask, no problem. Right? And that we are doing, helping the farmers. Main purpose was in our mind to help the farmers.
So sir, are you only producing table wines or some sparkling wines?
No, at present, sparkling wine we are going to that further. We are making wine with ginger. We are making ginger wine also. With honey also we are making it. Come. And keep on asking questions when we are moving. Come.
Wine making master classes, training the trainers. वाइनरी में आगे से यहाँ से कोई वाइन नहीं जाती है। लोग कंपटीशन करने की सोच रहे हैं बट नहीं हो रहा क्योंकि IHM for the schools है. So
We are doing the inoculation now on project 400. We'll show you. On 7 sure.
Go sir.
इस शोरूम से मिले थे वो.
This is our hotel, training hotel, applied training center. We have 25 rooms along with a small conference hall for 20 people and then restaurant is there. Right? And it is run by the students only. Of course, the few staff has been appointed for that. At present, they are having exam third year, so they are not here. Otherwise,
This is the hostel run by
all rooms are full.
students. All rooms are full. So
No, the staff is there.
So they are sufficient.
Lab,
check out the view.
lab attendants are being sent here. Our lab attendants are very smart. Sometimes they perform very good.
That's a good idea.
Sir, ये वाला जो है ना
हॉस्टल में सो ट्रेनिंग सेंटर मानना पड़ेगा ये चमचलो इट इज द 5-star
Come. This is a small reception. For 25 rooms, it is fine. We have. No, this is staff. But they are trained under Hunar Se Rozgar. After that, they have been recruited here. They are running course. Now, come inside. Sometimes our students are doing IT here also. The trade diploma, especially the trade diploma people are doing because they are for only one subject, kitchen or like that. So they are doing training. So if you want to see the rooms here, please come. This side, this also restaurant. Two restaurants are there.
It is the
You can see.
restaurant.
Come. You can have a look and come back. And keep on asking questions, please. Good questions. Thank you, sir. Because you are very technical, so I asked answer to sir.
It is next one. सो फ्रेंड्स अभी आ चुके हैं फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे और यहाँ आपको रूम्स दिखाएंगे अभी सो so beautiful room in there, so beautiful bed making and wardrobe, and this is the bathroom, so this is nice. अरे भाई कैमरा लेके आना चाहिए था। ओ भाई क्या बात है, खतरनाक व्यू। ओके ये भी सेम रूम है, सो रूम देख चुके हैं। सो भाई पूरा भारत देख सकते हैं आप एक ही जगह पे, और ऑल इंडिया इन वन प्लेस। इट इज ग्रेट सीन, सो देख ही सकते हैं आप। सर को तो आने दो, सर से पहले हम जा रहे। रुक जा भाई,
कुछ नहीं होगा।
होना क्या है। सब अभी अपने पीछे पीछे आ रहे हैं, देखते हैं अभी आगे क्या होता है। तब तक के लिए बाय। तो भाई पूरा इंडिया एक ही प्लेस में, अभी आपको दिखेगा, देख सकते हैं आप। अलग अलग ट्रेडिशन बट हार्ट इज़ वन, इंडिया। तो इसलिए तो इंडिया इनक्रेडिबल है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे लैंग्वेज अलग है, लोग अलग हैं, बट प्यार एक ही है। पीयूष हंसते हुए क्यों हंस रहा है पीयूष? क्योंकि देखिए लोग अलग अलग, लैंग्वेज अलग अलग, शहर अलग अलग, बट इंडिया हार्ट में है। सो इनक्रेडिबल इंडिया। हे oh, it's a bakery.
Come inside. Come this side. Please come. Okay. Dear students, one question was asked by Raj Roshan, that who designed this hotel? It was designed by the students. Even the fabric purchasing from market was done by the student. Color, combination, everything. Even you will surprise when we go to housekeeping, the tailor we have hired, it is on roll. The student have designed, told him that you do like that. Everything is done by the student. Okay. Where others? Come. This is our bakery. Now we are doing research as per the Government of India edible cutlery. So we are making this cutlery. It is made out of flour and mix of multi-grain. Spoon is there. Right. Plates are there. Okay.
Millets.
Of course, we are doing manually, but we are planning to design a machine in which it will be a commercially viable. Because by hand it is not that much viable. Right.
Yes, sir.
And these are the products you can see.
Yes,
and you will be seeing that display counter is also there. And it is served in. We don't purchase any bread from outside for hostel. Right.
Sir.
Because we have 300, 400 also, and then during daytime also people buy. Any question? And we have kept like this. We have not made individual tables.
Sir.
That is the reason, because when we are working, peer group is learning. I am learning from you, you are learning from me. That is why we have made it very clean, simple, no abstraction. Otherwise, during my college in Pusa, it was individual table.
Yes, sir.
Right. So we have done it like that way. So if I am doing something wrong, you can tell me.
Yes, sir.
Right. That is the main reason of that. And the teacher can see also who is doing what.
Yes, sir.
There is no obstruction in the site. Any question? And these are the boys from trade diploma, 1.5 year course. They are making baguette. Love baguette. Come. They are our lab attendant. They are the pillar of this thing. Right? They have done. Madam has done diploma in food production. They have done excellent work you also. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we are doing research on buckwheat. That kuttu.
Yes, sir.
So you can see how it is. After deshelling, the shell can also be used to make mattress and pillow.
Yes, sir.
And that is gluten free. It is very good for diabetic. And now Japan used to import from Russia and Ukraine, but they had a fight, so they don't want to buy. And after research, they have done research, they found that Meghalaya buckwheat is the best buckwheat in the world. And last time we did a buckwheat conference. In that, finance minister, madam from Japan, she came and she was surprised that IHM Shillong is doing so much on this buckwheat. And this is also helping the farmer.
Yes, sir.
We are just keeping everything in our mind. When the plate comes, always think about the farmer.
Yes, sir.
We don't think generally. Like being a chef, being a hotel manager. These are the shell, and you can roast it, dry roasting, broiling. Your hotel manager people, you know, broiling, then milk, then jaggery, or masala करके तड़का लगा के खाते. ठीक है? Come sir, come. At present, you have seen the winery. Now one training program is going on, 3 months training program. This is an individual project they are doing. Different fruits and all, even ginger, and then wild apple is also there. Apple is available there. And then
Gooseberry.
so these all research individual students are doing this. Hi, come. This is a wine. Come.
आजा भाई.
Huge welcome. Please.
So, तो खतरनाक वेलकम हुआ मेरा.
Come inside, come. Please come, ma'am. Sir, fast. Okay, this is our conference hall. Come, tutorial classroom, right, for 25 people. And students can use this slides and all, how to give presentation. Now, recently we have conducted one training program for third year students, designing of training program. Design of training that we have done. You can see that they have designed. So we are teaching them when they become a training manager or in hotel, they are briefing it how to teach others.
So,
Because at certain level they become a trainer,
so,
right? Not designated trainer, but working. When they are working, they become a trainer, right?
so,
And we teach them zero margin of error, no mistake at all. When you are doing practicing, learning, then you can do the mistake, commit the mistake, but when you are performing, don't make any mistake. So our slogans, every month we make a slogan,
yes sir.
right? This month, zero margin of error in the processing. So we tell them, and sometimes respect water, respect food, like that we have, right? The next month is respect duty, respect procedure. Next month the slogan. Okay, come. This is our bar operation that is in the second year. Those who are anyone is from second year? So in the second year we have a bar operation, right? So we teach them. We took example of wine making, pairing food with food, wine with food,
So,
cocktail, mocktails and all. Very good business now, very good job, very demanding job, and well paid. The bartender is become now scientist. It is not like mixing and all. Even though they suggest the food, but you should go with that. Right? Responsible server, responsible drinker. Right? We have a hotel in a five-star hotel. That time one fellow asked about that third peg order.
Yes, sir.
He said, sir, you have taken 2 pegs. Very politely he mentioned, should I go for second peg? Are you driving also, sir? He was asking like that. I was very surprised. So not, de do, bechna hai to. Right. But he was very, and mixing. Very nicely he explained. So I said, have you done hotel management? Bola no. He did 1 year course somewhere in Bombay. Come.
so प्रिंसिपल सर ने खतरनाक बातें बताई, अपना एक्सपीरियंस और मिक्सिंग. अब आ गया है रेस्टोरेंट.
This is our basic training restaurant for the first year. Hello, please come. You have already visited this one,
Yes, sir.
right? You had a
Good morning.
breakfast here. This is a basic training restaurant, right? For the first year student. And you will find in all practical labs we have TV, right? Because it's a 4 hours practical, we ask teachers to display their slides and other videos and all if they want. They can download also, or they can make their own video and they can display also. Totally in 4 hours, some practical, some learning, knowledge, teaching, everything goes together, right? And you can see the glass are displayed here. From the first year, they should know, in first year they should know the glasses and all, right? Any question?
Being first year a student, you should ask so many questions. You know everything, should I ask questions? Yes?
BT.
Should I ask?
Oh, that's it. KFK. Yes, any question?
No more question.
This also, the tablecloth and all are designed by student, and it is made by our tailor under the instruction of students. Everything designed by
Innovative idea.
I know.
Sir, this is really commendable.
The whole institute till now it is, wow.
And we told students that don't break the glasses. If you break, bring 6. So they don't break. Even though if practical by mistake it is done, no problem. Intentionally they don't break. They keep
I
on.
think we can have a round of applause till
Sure,
now.
sure.
And how clean everything is. Since morning I am appreciating this.
Come. Beside basic training teaching,